Sometimes we delete important pictures, videos, or documents from our memory card or SD card or USB by mistake. Or we do it intentionally, but we want the data back. Sometimes the data is very important and we feel lost. If you have deleted data from your memory card or USB or SD card and want the data back, then yeah, this video is for you. You don't need to be worried about getting back your data, because I am gonna show you the method how to recover your data back. Also, this method is free. It won't charge you. So, without wasting time, let's get started. First, you need to go to browser. Then in search box, you need to type Recuva, R-E-C-U-V-A. Then press enter. Then click on this link. Also, link is given in the description below. Then from here, click on download latest version. It will start downloading Recuva on your laptop or PC. Then click on run. Click on install. Now plug your memory card to your laptop or PC. As you can see, I'm gonna format my memory card in front of you. Format and start. Then press OK. As you can see, I have formatted my memory card in front of you. And I close this window. Now I'm going to show you how to recover this data. And double click on Recuva. Then click on next. Here it will ask you what sort of files are you trying to recover, like all files, pictures, music, documents, videos, compressed emails, etc. Let me select videos from here. Then click on next. It's asking where were the files located, like in my documents, in the recycle bin, in a specific location like CD or E, or in removable drivers like memory card or USB or iPod or SD card, etc. Since we want to recover data from our SD card, memory card, so I'm gonna select this option, second one. Then I click on next, then start. It will start scanning. Then you have to wait a little. Here you can see deleted videos have been shown now. Now let me tell you how to recover it. Suppose I want to recover the last video, so I'm gonna check this video. Then I will click on recover. Then from here I will select desktop option. Then OK. Then I will wait little. Then OK. Here you can see the video has been recovered successfully. You can recover all videos in this way. Let me show you the video. You can see this was my own video I had created in past. And yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching the video. I hope it was helpful to you. If it was, thumbs up button and do not forget to subscribe and also share with your friends.